We're going to complete a measured or angular perspective of this simple L-shaped block. Now, first thing we're going to do is draw in the ground line like we would with an ordinary orthographic drawing. So this is the ground line. Next thing we're going to do is draw in the picture plane line. Now we're going to draw the horizon line. Let's look at the height of the horizon line. It's going to be looking from above, as you can see from the silhouetted figure. So let's use that height from the eye level line. Just mark it off so that it is above the height of the shape that will be the elevation later on, and just draw in that horizon line now. Now we're going to draw the plan view in, just touching the picture plane, and as with the regular block we're going to do it at 45 degrees, and that is the plan view. Next we'll draw in the elevation view, which will give us the heights for the perspective. So just there, and that's our elevation. Now we're going to draw the position where the observer, the silhouetted figure, is looking at the view. So put a mark there, and that's called the station point. From the station point, what we do is we draw lines at 45 degrees which are parallel to the plan, and we project down from these lines where they meet the picture plane, and what they do is they give us the positions for the first vanishing point, just here on the right hand side, and the second vanishing point here on the left hand side. Now what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line between the station point and each point in the plan, and the points of interest are where those lines cross the picture plane, and it's those points on the picture plane that we use to construct the perspective elevation. Now what we're going to do is we're going to draw in the perspective elevation. First thing is use that leading edge to draw in the start of the perspective drawing. So we use the elevation and take across those heights, and from the bottom and the middle part and the top of the L shape project up to the vanishing point and project across to the other vanishing point also. So we've got the view started. Now for the right hand side of the view, look where it goes and touches the picture plane and project down. Now what we can see there is we can see the L shape starting to take shape. I'll just darken it in so we can see what's happening, and we can see that that is the first part of the L shape. Now we'll actually use that back corner there to project a line of perspective to the vanishing point, and we'll also use the top penciled in mark for another line of perspective for the top. Now again, going back to the picture plane and projecting down, that shows us where that part of the L shape stops, and we project down to the perspective line. Again, going to the vanishing point and taking the lines across, we can complete this part of the L shape quite easily. And once again, let's darken it in just so that you can see more easily what's going on, and we're separating those pencil lines from the pen lines. Now again, it's good practice just to use the vanishing points when you're drawing in those lines of perspective in the finished version. And again, projecting down from the picture plane gives us the back point. Use that to draw in the line of perspective, and we've pretty much finished the L shape there. Just darken it in pen so you can see better. Now to go over what's happening, let's just put the block back in place where the plan is, and put the picture plane on and represent it with this clear bit of acrylic. Now we've got the observer standing at the station point, and what the observer is actually looking at is looking at the shape through the picture plane, and this is what he sees. It's projected onto the picture plane.